Does your brand have an amazing photo that you'd like to have shared by your superfans? Our PicShare feature makes sharing your photos easy for both you and your advocates. To set up a PicShare, go to your SocialToaster dashboard, click on Features, and then PicShare. Once the PicShare page loads, click Add Photo, then navigate to where your photo is located on your computer, and upload it. Click on the Settings button to edit the description and title of your image, and use the button in the upper left-hand corner to rearrange your PicShare entries. To inactivate a PicShare entry, click the Power button in the upper right-hand corner. To install the PicShare block on your program page, click on Design and then App Factory. Once the App Factory loads, click on Page and Home Page Logged In. Then click on Blocks and navigate to Share a Picture. It will add the PicShare block into the bottom of your program page. As with all of our feature blocks, click the settings icon to set the width of the block to 1, 2, or 4 blocks wide, toggle the title on and off, and highlight or unhighlight the block. Additionally, you can click on the text in the block to edit it, and you can move the block using the icon in the upper left-hand corner. We recommend that the PicShare feature be located under the Add Networks bar on your program page. Once you've finished, click Publish in the bottom right, and your design will be live. And remember, if you need any additional help, don't forget to reach out to us at support@socialtoaster.com.